Hi everyone, welcome to the drawing challenge. We're going to do some pop-up pictures. You'll see in this video how to fold them, and there's a couple of challenges that I'd like you to try. The first one is thinking about something getting taller or longer or wider, so I'd let you use your imagination for that. The second one would be something where there's a reveal, so you've got one scene and you open it up. And then you end up with a new scene, a much bigger scene that's got some surprising features. So that's your second part of your challenge. And the third part, depending if you've got time, I've added in a little extra bonus feature, which is high-tech animation involving the same amount of paper, a pen and a pencil. So it's pretty basic too. Okay, enjoy.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, great. Thanks for watching. I'll be online towards the end of your session to see what you've been doing. Hopefully we can share some of the results of your pop-up pictures and your one-page animation. I'm keen to see what you've done. Okay, bye-bye.